Good morning, welcome back to my channel. I just want to share one idea here is that how to make money on roadside markets, roadside sale or something in Papua New Guinea. Like mila tok longia mila serimam lilik idea mi tok emosem. Planti blo yumi Papua New Guinea. Yumi sawe stop silly parallel roads number lo. I mean highways. Or highway where yumi sarem noise blow. Car run na kain apem yumi silip yumi no gat one bla recent lo by yumi paini mol lik pocket money lo yumi lo needs lo yumi lo daily needs lo yumi. Like one bla example lo sem yumi gat a man mere usait you got ground long hare lo auswa blow you close to lo. You any good blow opportunity where you can plan him kai garden kai na time him ready you can walk him put him table blue you out long roadside where you sa silip long him close to the road you can go put him table blue you lo hap na caramel garden produce blue you lo hap na you can go make him all daily markets blue you lo hap all the time by me walk him all table black market na buy market or kain all something tasol all sambla line all got gift lo disla sambla only no got time lo market him all kain all lili something lo go kam lo market kisim walkie table put him lo road or arre lo store line or one molly had so kain all line you should make him all lili garden work plan him all anything kaike where you think o sememba isi lo em can grow area up na kaike sa grow area up long em you making money em all vegetables as a fast all by grow na you can work him money area up em can take him few weeks lo by ready long you can kiss him go out long all roadside markets. You look him all carry ron go come na man meri ron go come em all carry money go come money em ron lo highway stop. So all can come stop. You think osem no got customer outside by buying but long me te me experience him this la finish na me talk. Man meri ron lo car long em all stop him car na mix him customer through long all man meri usait all run long highway long em na close to all communities too all need him kai we all buy him but mostly me look him all line usait sa run lo car long em all walk lo come stop na buy him all kai one run na me no got some black kai again kai is short lo garden lo go market gen na some time me wait lo all kumu ba ready or some all banana or sugar cane or just like I know something but ready na me wait stop but first something where me looking money kamaria blongem na me harvest fast longem em all kumu tas kumu ba em sa grow hurry up na me put him table lo roadside and me go caramel just something me go line up him lo table lo are lo highway tasol lo house door and then one go hem we go it depends like how me look him daily afternoon 3 hours market or 4 hours market me make him all day I experienced that very good time 6 o'clock a.m. to 7 go anta bosem hours, go reach him afternoon hours, go 3 o'clock. Time blomilo go market out. Now rest hours me stop long garden planning mo legal seeds where one seeds mila planning me planning. Me got big plat time lo work your work blow me long. Housework. We go finish after long. Me go work him all dinner, put him, and me go 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, and me put him table blow me out long. Roadside that's all. Go put him table out. And then me prepare him sambla, harvest him sambla kaikelo garden or at least 20 kina wet or 30 kina wet or 15 kina wet. Me just put after sambla 7 to 6 days, 1 week, me looking awesome. I can make 100 kina or 130 or 140, depends on my items lo me display long. Carry me go out long market. So plenty blow you stop nothing, finding 1 kina, 2 kina, go ask him dinner. We are making our life just like me talk 1 week na. Me play it make him life me play go hard life, most of us. There's an opportunity. Stop. You may grab him. Grab some and you live on that. Thanks for watching. Tasol Sambla Lilik experience Plomimi. Share him. Please subscribe to my channel if you think this message is helpful for you. Bye now.